Punta dyan sa Maldives na yan.
Oo, di ba? Pag yung water kasi super clean.
Last na lang. Napanood mo yung teaser ng Always Be My Maybe?
Oo.
Ikaw daw yung peg nila doon.
Parang ganun nga. Kaya lang, hindi lang ako medyo nag-cry. Medyo nagsabi lang ako ng hinatangkit ko ng very life.
What was your reaction? Was it on flattery or?
Nung nakita ko nga yan, sabi ko wow. Sabi ko parang at some point, nakita ko yung sarili ko kay Ate RC, di ba? Ang galing nga Ate RC.
Oo, in fairness. Now you're with Viva. What are the things that we have to look forward kay Angel?
So ngayon, nag-workshop ako. Yun. Gusto ni Boss Rick na, syempre bago ka isasalang sa kahit kailangan planchado. So, kapag time mo na, give na.
Well, congrats and good luck.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you, girl. I'll tag you, ha?
Picture.